Vivo launches its new affordable 5G phone under Y series in India called Vivo Y21. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y21 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y21 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 0.08-megapixel auxiliary lens with f3.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.1 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y21 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 20,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in champagne gold and midnight blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y21 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.